Good people, it's your boy Trill in the room today. Meditation Monday, starting the week and the year, everything off right, and everything lined, legs crossed. You can sit in your chair, if you do it in your car, whatever you do. Drink your tea, coffee, smoke your herbal, get your diffuser going, set the mood for the quick session. All right. Sitting up tall, shoulders are back and down. Chin at the horizon. Deep breaths. No music, want to simply get clear as possible. No influences. Inside chatter. Quiet it down. Deep breaths coming from the diaphragm. Focus is at the middle of the forehead and on the breath. Now bring your intention and your flow and focus of the day to the middle of the forehead. We're gonna get creative. We're gonna make a wide screen in the movie of mind, screen of mind, in your imagination. You got a big ass head, it's easier to do because you already watch movies as you dream. So now, everybody has a big head, everybody's in the movie of life. You're sitting where you are with the eyes closed. Use all of your senses, all 5 senses. Bring them all inward. Smell, taste, touch, sight, hearing. Dive deep within. In your movie, everything goes the way that you intend. With each deep breath, everything gets more detailed within the scene, and the body becomes more relaxed and can recognize the scene. Body is calm, mind is clear, heart is full of energy and also clear. Within your screen of mind, using the 5 senses, be as vivid as possible with all detailing. Where'd you wake up? What are you doing for the day? What are the foods that you're eating? What do they taste like? What do they smell like? Who are you sharing your experiences with? You can go as deep as that in your visualization, or you can just simply go with having a flow, a steady focus of flow for the day. Deep breaths. Body is relaxed. Breath is connected with the body. Pranayama or energy, the prana, the energy is pure. Gently crack the lips to exhale. Inhale through the nose. Exhale out the mouth. Body is relaxed. Focus on the vision. Focus on the body. Focus on the breath. We're drawing our intention of greatness, goodness, and a positive day and or future within the day, clearing our mind, clearing our hearts, focusing on the breath, focusing on our attention, because our attention is a mental stretching for our mental energy. Wherever you put your attention and your intention is where your energy and flow will reside. And if they reside, that means you're used to it. But if you flow, it can be something new, flowing and have a new residency for the positive energy that you are and the positive energy that you seek. Now gently let the picture fade away, but let the energy and the 5 senses that are within, that we've brought within us, have a memory of that positive flow, that positive feeling, that positive thought, those positive images that we've made in our mental picture. Shout out to Dr. Joe Dispenza. Have that memory be tied to every part of thy being, from the crown of the head to the soles of the feet. Crown of the head, soles of the feet. Soles of the feet, crown to the head. Have the body, every feeling that is within. Become highly acquainted with the mental picture. For your subconscious and imagination cannot tell the difference between the mental movie that we project for ourselves and the life that we live that is out. So in your day, remember, try to filter out all the things that aren't necessary in your life for your goals and focus on the vision, staying loyal, keeping the faith, staying confident in source, staying confident in self. Shoulders are relaxed, spine is still tall, or however you're sitting or laying. Gently open the eyes, bring the hands to heart center. Small prayer for the physical. A small prayer for your mental. Now a small prayer for the spirit that is over all of your being and the all that is over all. Giving our thanks and gratitude, our appreciation for life and the abundance thereof. For that is within us, coming from above. For as above, so below. As within, so without. Going with the flow, and trusting the Most High and self, there is no doubt. Namaste. Y'all blessed. All right. Very great Meditation Monday. Have a great rest of your day. Remember to stay within mind, staying loyal and faithful to the vision, to your truest self and your highest self. Because why else would you do anything opposite? Exactly. Hyyer merch for the sale. Not for the low, but you know though. But yes. Remember to flow, think, feel, and be higher than you were. Remember peace, not apart, together. Which when you intertwine, like the logo and design, is divine.